Hello, dear students. It's me, your English teacher, Alina Konabekovna. I hope you're doing okay. So, let's start our lesson.
The theme of our lesson is New Zealand. At this lesson, you should learn some information about the country of New Zealand. Express your opinion about your image of New Zealand in written form. Then you will read the text and will learn to work with the text. At first, you should know how to pronounce these proper names from the text. So please listen and repeat after me. New Zealand, Australia, the Pacific Ocean, the Tasman Sea, Cook Strait, Wellington, the North Island, the South Island, Maori, Captain James Cook, Abel Tasman, Auckland, Christchurch, Nelson, Mount Cook, Waikato and the Wairau. Now try to read these words by yourself. After reading the text, you will understand the meaning of these proper names. Now listen to the text about New Zealand. New Zealand is a very interesting and beautiful country. So listen and read by yourself if necessary. It has got a total area of 269,000 square kilometers. It is situated to the southeast of Australia in the Pacific Ocean. New Zealand is separated from Australia by the Tasman Sea. It consists of two main islands, North Island and South Island, and some smaller ones. The two main islands are separated by Cook Strait. Nearly 3.5 million people live in the country. New Zealand's original inhabitants are Maori. Europeans first came in 1642. Dutchman Abel Tasman was the first European navigator to visit the islands. Then, between 1769 and 1777, Captain James Cook visited the islands 4 times and claimed the land for the British Crown. At the time of Captain James Cook's visit in 1769, the Maori population was about 250,000 people. Traditional art forms included storytelling dances and songs. Maori was declared an official language in 1987. New Zealand is an independent state and a member of the Commonwealth. The head of state represented by the Governor-General. The flag of New Zealand is blue with the flag of the United Kingdom, with 4 red pointed stars edged in white centered in the outer half of the flag. The coat of arms depicts a woman and a Maori man standing on leaves of fern and looking at each other over a shield with 5 badges. Shield supports crown of St. Edward. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. It is a financial center too. The city was founded in 1840 and has been the capital since 1865. There are some big cities such as Wellington, Christchurch, Auckland, and Nelson. Wellington and Auckland are the main ports of the country. There you can see Christchurch City, Auckland, and Nelson. There are some educational and cultural institutions in Wellington. There are the University of New Zealand, Victoria University College, and others. Victoria University was established in 1897. There are many mountains in New Zealand. The highest is Mount Cook, 3,764 meters, or 12,349 feet. It has many rivers and lakes. The main rivers are the Waikato and the Wairau. Popular sports include netball, basketball, golf, tennis, rowing, and a variety of water sports, particularly sailing and surf sports. Winter sports such as skiing and snowboarding, indoor and outdoor bowls are not so popular, but rugby is considered to be the national sport. New Zealand has got heavy industry. There are some major industries in the country, for example, iron and steel industry. The country has gas petroleum. There are many plants in the country. New Zealand is rich in minerals. Paper and rubber industries are developed too. New Zealand exports wool, meat, butter. The climate of New Zealand is moist. New Zealand has a temperate climate with moderately high rainfall and many hours of sunshine, while the far north has subtropical weather during summer, and inland alpine areas of the South Island can be as cold as 10 grade in winter. Most of the country lies close to the coast, which means mild temperatures. New Zealand weather can change unexpectedly. Now, after this, please write down in your notebook key points from this text. Official name of the country, what country consists of, its total area, population, native people, official languages, capital, largest cities, head of state, and government. The second written exercise is to match a line in A with a line in B. The words in the line A: iron and steel, main, educational, subtropical, popular, native, independent, temperate, original. Lines in a B: state, industry, climate, animals, institutions, inhabitants, sports, weather, islands. And the last written exercise is to answer the following questions with the full answer. The questions are: where is New Zealand situated? Is the area of New Zealand 269,000 square kilometers? Which country is its nearest western neighbor? What islands does the country consist of? Who are the native people of New Zealand? Was James Cook the first European to visit New Zealand? What are the official languages in the country? Wellington is the capital of New Zealand, isn't it? What are the main rivers in New Zealand? And the last, who is the head of New Zealand? That's it. And the home task is to write an essay about your impressions of New Zealand. Please send it on my email or on my WhatsApp number. So, dear students, I wish you luck. The lesson is over. Thank you. Goodbye.